Another day on the vlog. But backyard production. Oh, very nice. Ayan. Anyway, another day on the vlog. Punta kami sa nail salon kasi magpapalinis dapat si Kat kasi meron niya siyang ingrown parehas na big toe niya, left and right. So sinabi ko sa bakit kami try to walk in kaso by appointment nga daw. Anyway, pinabalik kami ng 5. So punta muna kami ng Hershey Chocolate Museum. So malapit naman na, 9-minute walk lang. Laptop Chocolate Museum. Si Calvin. Say hi. Candice, hi. Okay. Lapit na kami. Pagod. Hindi ka-araw. Pero okay lang. Kaya rin naman. Hindi. Yung token mo. Yeah. Welcome, Candice.
Candy maker Joseph Collier in 1872 him from theft to success. Milton's method, Collier Extra, will teach 14-year-old Milton the art of candy making.
Soup is good. We put in some work on this, didn't you?
Well, thank you, Henry.
Calvin, one more. Calvin. Bye. Close na siya. Bye. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on. So we're done sa aming Hershey Chocolate Museum Adventure. And yun, maganda. Sana magustuhan niyo yung mga clips. I tried to take photos and videos hanggat makakaya. Pwede naman mag picture and video. Tapos may bayad siya. Hindi siya totally free. Okay. So bye bye. And till the next vlog.